what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I'd follow a RawBeautyKristi tutorial. Now I did a video on this, my very first well, I mean, it's not my very first, but it's like my first YouTube tutorial, and I'll actually link that video right here where I followed one of her tutorials. But yesterday she released like this sunset crease looking eye look, and it was gorgeous, and she used the James Charles palette, and she does a really in-depth review, and she said it was really easy, pretty easy to follow. So I just want to see how well I can follow it. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure you guys keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post 2 videos twice a week, and also if you guys like this, give this video a cheeky thumbs up. So I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna get on into this.
So
she gets super
hideous cold sore on my lip, and you know what? You don't want to see it. I don't want to show it to the internet. Oh, now 500,000 people!
Congrats to the 500,000 people!
Of course, this is my video right after I hit 500,000 subscribers. It's like trying to cover the hideousness that is my lip. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial for you today.
Wait, you get really close,
which I will link right up here, and that video is me talking about my favorite products of January. And in that, by priming my eyelids with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair 00. I'm also gonna put a dab.
Now I'm gonna not zoom you guys in as close as she zoomed hers in because well, I'm just not. But I'm gonna get close. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get close. So I don't have that ColourPop concealer that she used, but I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and then my HD Photo Finish. I'm just gonna dab it right there. Dab it on there. Dab it. Okay.
Of like a regular colored concealer on, so that it's not completely white. But the lighter the base is for the eyeshadow, the better that the eyeshadow is going to come out, in my opinion, because you have like basically a blank canvas to work off of. Any brush or a beauty blender or your finger will do to tap this in. This is the main brush that I'm going to use for today. This is the Morphe M506 brush, and it is.
I don't know if I have a Morphe M506 brush. Morphe 510. I'm not prepared. I didn't know what she was using. I don't have a Morphe 506 brush, so I'm just gonna use my JH33 brush. It's like a small, little tapered blend brush.
You can really precisely draw on your crease and then really precisely blend it out.
Oh, you know what? I need a smaller brush. That's not gonna do. All right, you know what? I don't have a Morphe 506 brush, but I do have a. Alright, so I don't have a Morphe, I don't have a Morphe 506 brush, but I do have a Morphe R39 brush. We're going to use that.
I'm going to start off with all of these shades here, and I'm kind of mix them all together, just like a dip into each one. Because
which one are you using?
On your crease and then really precisely blend it out. So I'm going to start off with all of these shades here.
Brown.
And kind of mix them all together, just like a dip into each one. Because I want this shade to be really depthy. I don't want it to be like just a bright red. I want it to have some depth to it. And I will dip in and start to deepen this up. I'm going to add lots of layers. Just make sure all creases are good to go. I feel like this is sat here for about 4 minutes now. Kind of stamp it where you want it.
Oh, that's horrible.
Sort of doing like this half moon shape here. The majority of the pigment down before I move on to the next colors to blend out the edges.
You move too fast for me. Kristi, you're moving too fast. I can't.
The color switch when using this palette, you just kind of roll your brush around in it. I think there are really inexpensive dupes of this, but this is the Vera Mona color switch that I have, and as you can see, all the red is off of the brush now. Before I was using this shade here mixed with this shade here, now I'm going to go in with these 2 shades and just sort of blend out. And this is where I started being a little more precise. So you've got your deeper shades down now, and then I've got the orange shade. Tap off the excess and then just start kind of buffing that along the edges.
You're moving so fast.
I just find that if I sort of just tap the color on and and then sort of whisk out the edges, that's when it works best for me to create like a really nice seamless blend.
Kristi, I ran out of eye room. What? Yo, mine does not look like that.
Then what you can do is take a brush like this. This is the Morphe M441. Both of these brushes came in the James Charles brush set, and just sort of.
I can't afford the James Charles brush set.
Shade.
Wait, you use yellow? You use yellow? If not the edge. Hey, I ran out of room. Oh my god, hers looks so nice.
So when I got down to this part, I took this.
Kristi, you're moving way too fast. Hold on. Okay. Yo, I ran out of eye space. Let me do my Veramona switch. I look like RawBeautyKristi. I look like RawBeautyKristi. I like it.
Down to this part, I took this shade,
this shade, and that shade.
And
okay.
Just sort of mix them all three together. I would use this on the M506 if you have it, because I feel like that brush is just a nice size to get right into the crease. And I took a bit of that shade and just deepened up the crease with it. You would think that mixing all of these shades together would look really bad, but honestly it just like gives the most beautiful rainbowy sunsetty look. As you can see what I mean by when you use precision with this palette, it just performs so much better when you kind of pack it on and then gently blend out the edges. In my opinion, I think the blend looks so nice.
Wait, are you blending it? You're blending it?
My personal favorite crease cutting brush is the Bodyography Pro Flat Shader Brush. This is not made for crease cutting at all, but I like it for that because it just, I don't know, I got it to be really flat and precise.
Okay, I don't have that brush. I don't have a Bodyography brush. I'm using my BH Cosmetics brush, you know.
On that day was I took sort of a mixture of this shade and this shade from the palette. I patted them all over that lid area.
Okay, so pat. Yo, yours looks darker.
See just how insanely vibrant those shades are, and because I used a matte shade, I feel like it creates a really nice base to start layering shimmers over the top.
Am I like amazing or what?
For this, I don't know if I'm going to today as much. I mean, I think I might kind of do both.
Oh, okay. Wait, hold on.
Over the top, so that the base of it would be really nice and vibrant.
Okay, over the top.
As if you just pat this over the white, it'd be a lot brighter, but I wanted it to clearly be blue. Right,
okay, we're blue. We're blowing it up. Oh my god, her precision is so amazing. Mine looks like butt shit.
This is the Wanderlust liquid eyeshadow from Stila that I always talk about. So I took a little bit of this, put it on the back of my hand.
Okay, we're gonna put...
And then I dipped my finger in and patted it over the center.
Wait. Okay, back of my hand.
And then I take a little bit over my brush and I just really pack it on the center to give like that, I don't know, it gives like an orb vibe. Just kind of pack it on the center and then bring it up to the top and then pat out the edges so that it's the brightest in the center.
What are you patting on your eye? What did I miss? What did I miss?
Alright, and that day I did toss a wing on, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm just gonna do a quick wing. I'm gonna be using my Benefit roller liner.
I have that. Okay, wait. I can't do liners. Hold on. Okay, you have fallout on your face like I do, so both have fallout together, okay? Wait, which way'd you go? Oh my god, this looks so good.
lashes. I'm gonna do my other eye off camera real quick so that we can get back
to the
to
other eye off camera.
And then I am going to toss some lashes on, and I'll have the rest of my face done. And I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys how I completed the eye look, because on the bottom I used some purples and it was just really, really pretty. So I'm going to go do that and I will be right back. So foundation is on, and I also got my lash.
I don't know about y'all, but this wing liner is look how like I can't even do a proper wing because like do my other eye off camera, and I'm gonna throw on a pair of lashes and do the rest of my face. Yo. I'll be right back. Okay guys, now that my lashes are on, we will continue following the tutorial. I do have a lash glue right under here.
Miami Faux Mink. I'm gonna finish off my eyes now, and then I'm gonna go through and do the rest of my face. Not that you guys can see it anyway. So on the bottom of my eyes, I went in with purple, and for that I used all of these shades here.
Which ones?
Of the screen, including this one here.
Okay.
Right over the top. This is such a beautiful shade. That shade for sure is more of a topper, so you want to do your base shades first because it is not like super pigmented. Okay. So again, instead of swiping, I'm really patting these shades on so they stay where they're supposed to be.
Okay, so just patting. We're just gonna pat. Wait, you do it so fast.
And then once the purple shade is down, I take those same warm tone shades that I used on the top, and I'm going to kind of run them below that so that it all is like nice and cohesive.
Kristi, what do you do if you have glue on your eye? I have glue on the bottom of my lashes. Oh my god, you're moving so fast. You're moving so fast. Okay, we're just gonna.
When I did this that day, I brought the shadows down pretty low. You guys know that I like to do this. Sometimes I just think it like, I don't know, I just think it looks kind of cool, especially when I put my bronzer, my blush, and my highlight and everything on. Bringing the shadows really low down into that, just, I don't know, I feel like it can look really cool and kind of grungy. Plus I was going to an event when I wore this, so you can't do too much at an event. It just doesn't exist. I take that shimmery purple shade that I said is like a topper. This one right here, and you can see it doesn't have a ton of base pigment to it. And I tap it on that shade there. And I just feel like this really adds so much to the look. Alright, and then I'm going to do a black water liner and then some mascara, and I will be right back. Alright you guys, well I hope you guys like this makeup look. I hope that this video was somewhat easy to follow and that it made sense.
Alright guys, and this is the final look. Oh my gosh. I look scary. I look scary. She made the tutorial look so easy, and I don't know if it's because I didn't have the right brush. Honestly, it probably boiled down to the fact that I didn't have the right brush, and I'm trying to like follow along with her, but it moves so fast, which I get, because if you actually sit here and did the, took the time to like not edit it and show the exact like how long it takes to blend out the shadows, like god, you're probably sitting here for like an hour and a half. But I wanted to follow the tutorial like as fast and efficiently as possible, and it looks great. You know, I think her job, the way she did it, is unbelievably gorgeous. She did such a good job. But for me, it was harder following for me because I do have like such little space between my eyes and my eyebrows. Like I have such large eyes that like I don't really have much room to play with like she does. And I'm horrible at a wing line. Like look at that. Like what is that? What is that? Like what is that? Like I don't know if it's just because like I have to like pull back to draw, or like just because like my skin like folds right here, maybe because I have hooded eyes but like a little bit of extra skin. Like it's very difficult to do, and she's talented. Clearly I need some work. I just want to do something fun today. I usually do like a lot of like reviews and everything like that, and I just want to do like following a tutorial, and I was kind of hoping to get better results than what I got. Instead I got like, I look like I can't do makeup. That's how I look. I look like I can't do makeup, and yeah, you know what the best part is? I don't even care. I had a lot of fun doing this, and I hope I edit this right with her with me. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. I definitely want to do something like this again. Hopefully it turns out better. Like it's not like the worst thing in the world, but it's definitely not the best. I probably would not go out in public like this. Thank God I literally just throw my makeup just to go and take it off. So, and I have like glue, like there's like glue like stuck here in the bottom of my lashes and it's sticking to my other lash and so yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post 2 videos twice a week, usually Mondays and Fridays, and sometimes I'll throw in a third one on a Wednesday. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for all the love and support, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye, guys. What is this? Like, look at that. What is that? Oh my God. If you guys can't already tell, like I have, I hate putting on a liner, and now you guys can clearly see why, because I'm, you know, it's so good. Woo! She's pretty. But yeah, I just wanted to do something fun today. I'm so, like, I do like a little, oh my God, I'm so good. Oh crap. Oh no, I'm getting blue in my shadow. No, where do I sit? Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to today's video. No. James Charles palette, and she does like a really, like she's